Hey guys, this is Ben Masters Premium Trading. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be bringing you exciting brand new content, and this content is on arbitrage trading. This is arbitrage trading, so you guys stay tuned. Don't skip any part of this video. I know this video will make you a lot of profit when you start doing it, and you guys should like this video if it brings you value. Subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I bring a video just like this. So what I'm going to be talking about is how you can easily buy your Bitcoin with Naira and sell it at a higher, change it to dollars and sell it at a higher price. So what we need for this arbitrage is just basically three platforms. The first one is Paxful, the second one is Pioneer, then the last one is where we'll be receiving our dollars from Pioneer so that we can sell it to Naira to make your profit. Then let's get into the video. But before we get into this video, know that this video is for educational purpose only. I'm not trying to invest any money. This video is just for educational purpose only. So let's start the video. What you basically need is just your Paxful. Now you can register if you don't have a Paxful account. You can register here, complete your verification, make sure you are verified. It's very easy to be verified, just any valid ID, very easy. And this arbitrage can be done whether you're in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, or any African country. So this arbitrage is just for Africans alone. If you are from like the United States, you can do this. Okay, so let's get into this video. So the coin we are going to be basically buying is Bitcoin, and we are going to be buying it in Naira. So let's click on. It's already set at Bitcoin, as you guys can see. It's already set at Bitcoin. Then what you just need to do is click on this payment method and you select bank transfer. Click on this USD and you can set it to NGN if you are in Nigeria, GHS if you are in Ghana, or Kenya shillings, KES if you are in Kenya, or any African country. Set it to your currency. For this video I'm going to be using Nigeria. So let's say we use $1 million Naira for this arbitrage. You can use 100,000, but for this video I'm going to be using an example of $1 million. Let's say we use $1 million Naira for this arbitrage. Yes, so let's go down. As we can see, this guy said receipt required no third parties. That means when you send your bank transfer, you send him the receipt from your bank. That's your transaction ID, your transaction. Then okay, all these guys are required no third parties. No third parties means you are supposed to use the same name that you use for your you use in opening your Paxful account is the same name you are going to use to transfer. Maybe your name is Adekunle Kayode. That's the same name verified on your Paxful. The bank you are going to use must be Adekunle Kayode account. So this is the same name you get. So let's get into this video. And I also like to see verified status on any merchant. The verified status on any merchant, so that it gives a level of security and make sure that this positive feedback is high. I like to go for those that are higher than 100. Okay, so you can click on vendors that are active in 10 minutes or that. So let's click on buy. Let's choose this merchant over here. Let's say here we'll buy with $1 million, and then this will give us 0.06. Let's copy it. 0.06974061 worth of BTC. So this is the amount of BTC we'll be having on our account. This is the amount of BTC we'll be having on our account. Then we can now sell. We can now click on sell over here. Then we click on amount. Okay, paste the amount worldwide. Yes, all payment method. Let's filter the payment method to be Pioneer. Okay, let's find offers. So we can see this. Now let's sell. So we'll be receiving this amount of USD. Copy. Now we all know that dollar is selling at the rate of 720 as at now. 720 as at now. So let's do some calculation. Okay, so I'm in my calculator right now, and as you can see, we used 1 million to do this. We used 1 million to do this, and our profit is 118,000. So as we all know that you can find dollar at the rate of 715, 720, but mostly in the black market as of today, I change it at 720. So but your dollar rate might be fluctuating I don't know which side you are. So I know that at least for you would sell your dollar at the rate of, let's put a minimum of 705. So now, as you can see, we have 1,094,928. Okay, 1,094,928. So our profit, let's minus it from the amount we used. That's, we minus it from 1 million we used. So we are profiting 94,928 naira. Then when you send money to your Pioneer, of course there's no fees, but when you are sending from your Pioneer to your Nigerian domiciliary account, there are fees. There's a $1 fee or a 1% fee. So a $1 fee does not have effect, or a 1% fee. So let's say our fee minus $1, that's about 705, will give us a profit of 94,223. And if you don't have a domiciliary account, you can come over here, which is called Get Pay. You can just open an account. They give you a free US account, and all you just need is basically your NIN. You just need basically your NIN for this. I did mine with my NIN. I have they give a virtual card. They give a virtual card, and you can use the virtual card to purchase anything online. The dollar virtual card, and it is very, very easy. Say a debit card, then they basically give you a US account, an euro account, a pound account. So you can just easily send it here and convert it to naira, or send it to your domiciliary account. Now this is what I'm talking about. Sign in. Okay, as you can see, I have money on my account. So I've used this platform so many times. and I have cards. If you come over here, you can see my card. Over here, a Visa card, and this card can be used anywhere. I've used it on Skrill, I've used it on Facebook ad, I've used it on PayPal, I've used it on so many platforms, and it's working, guys. So what I just want to show you, can come over here. We can click on send. Then select an account, add new account. Now the account you'll be adding is your domiciliary account. USD, select country. You'll be adding your domiciliary account. Swift. Then you add your recipient type. That's if you're a person or is a business account, a person account. This is your Swift code. You can just come over and search for your bank Swift code. Then this is your domiciliary account number, then your account name. Then you just input your password and it is done. So it is very easy, guys. Once you've done this, click on continue. It will be added and you can easily withdraw your your dollars to your domiciliary account. It's very easy to withdraw your dollars to your domiciliary account, or you can just add it directly on Pioneer. You can just add it directly on Pioneer and withdraw your dollars. Then you can come over here and you can see the rates, guys, of dollars. You can see the rate. Let's say let's go to my Binance so that you can see the rate at the black market. Let's come over here. Okay, P2P trading, and as you can see, that is trading for 710 over here. And if you even click on this, you can see it's trading for 712. So minimum of let's say 710 or 705. As you can see, at 705 you'll be making a profit of 94,223. 94,223, and this can be done unlimited times. So let's do something. 94,223. Let's say you can complete this 10 times a day, and you'll be left with 942,230 every day, guys. This is crazy. You can also complete this with 100,000. No, you can't. Don't do it with 10,000 because of the charges. It might affect your profits. So don't do it with a little amount of money. You can come over here and do it with minimum of 100,000. 100,000 is okay. Then from 100,000 to like 10 million. Why not do this? Arbitrage is a way that you can use a large amount of money and make your profits. But always calculate, guys. On my channel, I always tell you to calculate before getting into an arbitrage. The most important part of an arbitrage is not the making money. It is the calculation you do before knowing how to get into a trade. That's why on my channel I'll show you basically the calculation so that you guys can calculate it first before getting into any trade. Do your calculation. Follow this video. You know how to do your calculation before getting into any trade. Yes, guys, do your calculation before getting into any trade. And on my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to link your Pioneer account, how to have a Pioneer debit card, and how to basically send and receive funds from Pioneer. I can't put everything in this video, not so that it wouldn't be too long. So but if you guys already know how to do that, you guys can just skip that part and just continue with this arbitrage. Do your calculation because price can change at any time, so that you don't end up making a loss. Guys. So after that, just do your calculation and make sure it is in profit. Once you are in profit, then why not get into the market quickly, so that you know that the price are still the same and you cash out very fast. So my name is Ben Masters Premium Trading. If this video brought you value, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, smash that notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I drop another video like this. And guys, I have another very nice video on a arbitrage opportunity. If you want to be part of that, just click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified. Thank you.